Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool pop-up notification video edit on CapCut PC. So select your background and add like a phone overlay to that. And for this you're just going to want to scale it down a little to the phone, I guess. And go to mask and select rectangle. Oh, not on this one, sorry, on the phone wallpaper one. Adjust it and add round corners to it, like so. Once you're done with that, you're going to go to text template. So go to text and go to like text template here and select message and select this like airdrop one or like this message one or this update available. So I'm just going to select this one and I'm just going to type in notification 2022 recap. You can change the font and the text color if you want, but I'm just going to leave it like that. I'm also going to adjust this to like the end so it's not that short, because I want to be able to add in animation later on, so maybe at like 30 seconds ish, and adjust it like till the end. Now you're going to want to add a transparent background, because if you don't, you can't animate this text template. So go to library and add in this transparent background and put it below the text template. Select both, right click, create compound clip, and you are going to go to animation and you're going to select an in animation. You can choose any of these you want, maybe the zoom one. Or like just a fade in would be good. Or like this zoom in one. I think this zoom in one is also good. You can adjust the duration here to make it short. Let's see. Oops. Okay, it doesn't want to play, but you guys saw what it did when I added the animation. CapCut sometimes bugs for me for some strange reasons, but that is basically it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!